Tokyo.
Hi guys, welcome to my first ever travel vlog. I'm here in Delhi and this is basically the Vidhan Sabha metro station, and this is my pickup point for Manali right now, and I'm going to Spiti Valley with this company called Wander On. So these guys are collaborating with me and we are making some cool content in Spiti Valley. So yeah, right now I'll be waiting here at the gate number 3 of the Vidhan Sabha station for the crew to come. So let's see how this trip goes. Whoa! So we got on the bus to Manali, made some new friends, witnessed some really amazing views, and after having that daily coffee, I realized, whew, Manali is beautiful. Hi guys, so we have reached Manali right now. So we took a bus from Delhi to Manali and we are around 40 people in this group, and I'm traveling with this travel company called Wander On, and this is the view from the hotel in which we are staying for the day. So we'll be staying here in Manali for today, and then tomorrow we'll be leaving for Spiti Valley. So super excited. The view from here looks so amazing. Right now I'll go freshen up, take a bath, and then we will explore some cool cafes of Manali. Let's do this. Okay guys, so breakfast done, we had some amazing tea here beside the garden, and now we will go to Old Manali, explore Manali for a day before we start a journey to Spiti tomorrow. Let's do this.
You only make you feel like you could never leave. This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along.
End of conversation. End of the conversation. That is the height of camera consciousness.
I'm not camera conscious. please, bhaiya, please.
हाँ हो गया, हट गया कैमरा.
Promise you the world tonight, show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language.
Swag. ये swag में आएगा ना? नहीं. ऐसे?
We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love.
I'm so sorry if you hear a lot of background noise, but I am in this cafe called the Lazy Dog. Amazing place. Very good ambience and amazing musicians performing really crazy live stuff. So tomorrow we'll be leaving for Spiti Valley. So see you guys there. Guys, it's 7:30 AM right now and we are on our way to Spiti Valley. Basically, we are going to Kaza and it's a 14-hour ride on a tempo. We have some really amazing views here. We clicked some crazy Instagram bangers and let's hope the journey is good. we are at this Himalaya Dhaba, which is on 11,000 something feet high. That's my all-time favorite. So we are here at Rohtang Pass and in the middle of clouds. Feels so good. It's actually drizzling here. That's the reason I'm vlogging on the GoPro. We are going to have some masala chana and want to enjoy the weather. It's super cold. So yeah, we are almost, I guess, halfway there to Spiti Valley, and it's been a kick-ass ride. Like, the roads are so bad. Actually, there are some places where there are no roads, so you are just like on the rocks. I had some really bad head bumps when I was sleeping in the tempo. So anyway, we are going to this place, Rangyul Dhaba, Batal. Hi. So how was the experience from Manali to this spot? Awesome. How were the roads? Awesome roads.
I liked it.
Really bumpy.
Bumpy roads. I liked it.
Nice. That's nice.
The views were amazing.
The views were amazing. I agree. So basically, this is the tempo traveler in which we are traveling today. Finally, after 14 hours, we are here at the campsite. So you can see this is the campsite. These are the tents and a very pleasant weather here. So in the next vlog, you'll see places like the Chandratal Lake and the highest post office in the world. But right now, I'm like too lazy to film anything. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification icon and have a good night.